Hi guys, welcome back to Posture Prime. It's Vince, where I help you with your posture and overall health. So let's get to it. So this is one of my favorite stretches that I use to help open up hips specifically. I call it the Isle of Man stretch because what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet and legs positioned like as in the Isle of Man position. So once you can get to this here, you're automatically putting strain and stretch onto the hips. Now if you're struggling, you can just do one leg and keep the other one straight, but really for the best benefit, pull both legs back. So once your legs are in this position, they help to open up the hips and strain it in a different way. So for here, bring in your leg, I want you to keep a little bit of a gap between your heel and your knee and keeping the knee slightly off the ground, which it will. So from here, you want to make sure that you're sitting upright as best you can and you're going to be leaning forward slightly. As you lean forward, you will feel it on this hip here. Most people make the mistake of when they're doing it, they'll tend to lean to one side. But ensure you're staying up. You can use your hand to support, but the purpose is to try to get your leg up and leaning forward, and you will automatically feel it here on this hip. And there's no other stretch that can open up the hip like this angle. I want you guys to use this for about 1 minute. Hold this here and give it time to warm up, and then I want you to turn around. You do the same on the other leg. So what you're doing is there, you've got that Isle of Man position. You can support yourself with your hand, but try to make sure you're upright and leaning forward. And as you lean forward, you'll automatically feel it in this hip. And I want you to hold that position for 1 minute. And I want you to do 3 rounds. So it's 1 minute one side, 1 minute, 3 rounds, and you'll automatically feel the hips a lot looser. It also takes pressure off the lower back. It's one of my favorite ones to really take the lower back and hips and tension and pressure. Helps to decompress and stretch that out. So that is one of my favorites. If you like this video guys, give it a thumbs up and also comment down below if you want to see any other health tips or any other exercises to support any tight muscles or joints. So until the next time, see you later.